In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write off bad debt in Xero. If you have an invoice that is no longer collectible, writing it off properly helps keep your accounts accurate and ensures your outstanding receivables reflect reality. In this walkthrough, I will show you how to clear that invoice by creating and applying a credit directly in Xero. To begin, open Xero and sign in to your account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the top menu and select Sales. Then choose Invoices. This is where you can view all customer invoices, including those that are still unpaid. From there, click on Awaiting Payment so you can filter the list down to invoices that still have an outstanding balance. Find the invoice that you've determined is uncollectible and open it. It's a good idea to quickly review the invoice before making changes, just to confirm you've selected the correct one and that it really does need to be written off. Once the invoice is open, go to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu from the drop-down options. Choose Create and Apply Credit. This action lets you generate a credit note that can be applied against the unpaid invoice, which is the key step in removing that balance from your accounts receivable. When the credit screen appears, look at the credit line and change the account code to your specific bad debts expense account. This is important because it tells Xero exactly where to record the loss. Instead of leaving the amount sitting as unpaid income, you are reclassifying it correctly as a bad debt expense for reporting purposes. Next, verify that the date is correct and that the tax rate matches your needs. Taking a moment to check these details helps ensure your financial reports and tax records stay accurate. If your business follows specific accounting periods or tax treatment rules, this is where you'll want to make sure everything aligns properly. After you've confirmed those details, click Approve. Once approved, the credit will be applied to the invoice and the outstanding balance will be cleared. At that point, the invoice will no longer appear as money that is expected to be collected, which gives you a more accurate picture of your receivables. And that's all to it. Thanks for watching.